Hi everyone, are we ready for our maths learning today? Excellent. Miss Jevons is going to share her screen and we are going to start off our maths today by playing a quick game. Now, do you remember this game from last session? So I am going to show you some tens frames with some counters on, and as quickly as you can, I would like you to tell me how many counters you can see. You can use your fingers as well to represent the counters. Are you ready? Let's go. Here's our first tens frame. How many counters can you see? Excellent. We can see 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. So 3 counters are being represented. Let's do our next tens frame. Are you ready? Go. Excellent. This was quite an easy one to spot, wasn't it, Reception? You might not have even needed to count the counters because we know a tens frame, there must be 10 counters if all of the spaces are filled. So there are 10 counters being represented in our tens frame. Now today, Reception, we are going to be looking at making pairs. Now, you might have heard that before. So a pair is when we have 2, okay? So a pair is not 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 or 1. A pair is when we have 2, okay? So in school sometimes we might say to you, find yourself a pair. When you're in your learning partners, you are working in pairs because there are 2 of you. Now, here are some children who are going to help us learn all about pairs. How many children are there all together? Can you count them? Yes, there are 6 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 children. Now they are going to play a game. They're going to run around, and when we say stop, they are going to find a pair. So each child needs to find a partner because we need 2 to make a pair. Are you ready? Okay, they're going to run around and stop. Ooh, what do you notice? That's right. Each child is, excuse me, each child is in a pair. Now, altogether, we have 3 pairs. Can you see that? So there are 3 groups of 2 children. Now, these groups are equal. There are 3 equal pairs. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pairs and they are all equal. Now, another child wants to join in our game. So now we have 1 more than 6. What's 1 more than 6, Reception? Excellent. 7. So how many children have we got all together this time? 7. Fantastic. So we have 7 children. So they're going to run around. Are you ready? And stop. Oh, what do you notice this time? Excellent. So this time we've got 3 pairs, but we have got 1 left over. So we've still got 3 groups of 2 children, but 1 child doesn't have a partner, so we've got 1 left over. So this time they're not all equal. I know another friend wants to join in. So now we have got 1 more than 7? What's 1 more than 7? Use your fingers to help you. Excellent. 1 more than 7 is 8. So how many children have we got all together this time? Fantastic. We have 8 children this time. So 8 children are going to play our game. Now have a think. What do you think might happen when they get into pairs? What do you think? What do you predict is going to happen when they get into pairs? Is it going to be equal this time? Do you think anyone's going to be left over? Shall we have a look? Stop. What do you notice? That's right. This time there are 4 pairs. So there are 4 groups of 2 children. All of the pairs are equal because they have the same amount, okay? And we know a pair is made up of 2. So everyone has got a partner. Now it's your turn, reception, okay? Miss Shrevens would like you to go on a nature walk, okay? And when you go on a walk, I would like you to spot some natural objects, okay? So you might have sticks, leaves, stones, anything that you might find, okay? And I would like you to explore making pairs. So we found 2 sticks, 2 leaves and 2 stones. If we had 3 leaves, would that make a pair? No. Why would that not make a pair? Fantastic, because a pair is made up of 2. If you can't go for a walk, that's okay. Have a look around your home. Can you explore making pairs around your home? You might find 2 socks, a pair of socks, or a pair of shoes. Okay, so have a explore either on a walk or in your houses, explore making pairs. Thank you, reception. Have a lovely time exploring pairs, and Miss Strevens will see you soon. Bye, everybody.